Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So today is a very quick video, and this is something that I was inspired to make by an awesome channel, R and Bae. They are just awesome, and you need to check out their channel. So this is my version of a beautiful butter bean with herb vinaigrette salad that they made. I didn't have the fresh herbs on hand, so I went ahead and made mine with the dried instead, and I bloomed them in some water beforehand and then drained. All right, so here is my herb vinaigrette right here, all made up. And I basically used all the ingredients that they suggested with a couple of extra ones. So I added some garlic powder to mine, and I added some onion powder to mine. All right, so I am ready to put it all together, and I want you guys to come along with me as I do so. These are my butter beans, and I'm adding my tomatoes. And then I'm going to add my dressing here, so hold on for a moment. All right, so I am ready to add my vinaigrette. It's not as bright and vibrant as it would be if I used the fresh herbs, but you know what? That's okay. And I'm going to stir it in carefully. And I have some remaining, as you see there. If I need it, I will go ahead and add it. I may add another spoon, so hold on for a moment. All right, so I am back. I have it all mixed together and combined, and it looks great. Let's go ahead and use the small container and dish some up so we can do a taste test. I have my fork here. I'm going to get some of the tomato, and I'm going to get some of the butter bean. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but it looks very, very good. So let's try it. It is very, very good. Very good, guys. Try it out for yourself. Very good recipe. I want to say thanks so much to R and Bae for introducing this wonderful recipe. If you want more information, please go and check out their channel and check them out in the video that I am placing in the description box below. Go ahead, subscribe, check out their channel, watch some more of their videos. You will not be disappointed. All right? So that's all I have for today. Do everything you can to be mindful. Do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. Be inspiring and be inspired. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video or one of yours. Bye-bye now.